Hello guys, welcome back to the Air People Renaissance. Guys, in the last video, we have got three chests. In that, I got the terracottas and someone else. And first, guys, in my home, I made it so many changes. I'm making now changes. You can see first we will go to my home. First, we will go to my home, and yeah, here is the two furnace. Guys, first we have to make the glass. Why? Because we want the outside look, and for the glass we want for sand and coal. Sand and the coal. Yeah, yeah. One glass has been transferred. It's taking time for the glasses. Okay, yeah, I removed coal and I again kept the coal. Yeah, two glasses has been transferred. It's taking time. Okay, guys, you can see I got Elytra. Now, I think I can eat something. Oh, I think I can't eat because my stomach is full. See, guys, I got a bricks and bricks blocks and something else and ender pearl. First, I want lights because I want diamonds. I am explore now. I will explore the cave. Okay, I see. I can. Yeah, five glasses has been done. Okay, five glasses has been done. First, we will keep here one glass. Oh, why it's not attaching? Okay, I think here is a spider web. Yeah, I kept it. And the second one I will keep here. And the third one I will keep here. Okay, I have to break the block. Okay, I kept here. Here one torch. I will break this torch and here one torch. Okay, here one torch. Over. Okay, now it's okay. Yeah. Now, first I will go to the crafting table because I want fences. We will see the uses of firework. Oh, there is no use of firework. We will see the papers work. There will no use of paperwork. Okay, I want now all wooden planks. 48 all wooden planks I got. I will keep it aside. And now I will go to again crafting table. First, I will keep wooden planks. Oh my god. The preserve buttons I got, but I don't want them because I don't need them and no use of that. Yeah. The signboards are here. First, I will take the three signboards. Okay. I took the three signboards. And here has a pleasure plates, pleasure button, boat, and three empty maps. I don't want the empty maps. Guys, now I want sticks. I want oak fence. I want first sticks. Yes, I collected 36 sticks. Okay, now I got oak fence. Okay, I got oak fence, and there are two ladders. I will take three ladders. Okay, three ladders I will take because the ladders use is most common in the daily life. First, I will fence. Why? Because I want to keep animals in that fencing. Yeah, okay. I got a fence, oak fence. Yeah, I got them. Oh my god. Yeah, I got them now. Yes, I kept here. I kept here one. I kept here one. I kept here. I kept here. Okay. Right. And one more line. Kept. I kept. Okay. Oh, there is night is coming. I want to fastly keep this. Okay, I will leave this I will leave it like this. First I will go to my home and I will sleep. On the morning I will meet you guys. Yeah, I came to home. First I will sleep. Okay. Okay guys. The morning has been came. First I will go for it offense. Okay. I go okay. Yeah. First, I want wheat because I want to feed animals in my garden. Yeah, I got. Okay, almost I got all wheat here. Yeah, I got. Now I will take the wheat. I will take the wheat now. Some amount. I got 12 wheat planks. First, I will close this. Why? Because if we fall in this, the mobs will beat us. Yeah, I will close it. Yeah, I will close them right now. Because the if we fall in that, the mobs will beat us. In the first video, I fall in that. The skeleton and the spider saw me and they came back to me. Yeah, here I got a cow. First, I will feed. I will take the cow into the fence and I will fence it. Okay, I fen. Hey, cow, come fast, come fast. Hey, come. Yes, I will feed it now. Okay, now, okay, eat. Yeah, it's eaten. Hey, why? Hey, cow, why are you going out? It will come again. See? Yeah, it's came. And now I will fence it. Okay. Oh my god, I locked in the fence. How I can go? I will break this fence and I will go outside and I will keep again. Oh no. I will break this fence. Okay. Okay, I break. Oh, don't come. Yeah. Okay, I kept the fence and I locked the cow in the fence. First, I will go to my home. Oh my god, I am in shock. Here is the sheeps. Okay. Guys, here is a hole. I can find here diamonds, I think. Okay, I will go into this. Oh my god, here is a skeleton. Oh my god, here is a skeleton. Oh my god. First, I have to take a bow and arrows. Okay. Oh my god. First, we will go into the cave. Oh my god, where is the skeleton? He's not saying to me. Skeleton? Hey, skeleton, where are you? I can't see you. Oh my god, here is the skeleton. Oh my god, it hidden. Oh my god, how much angry skeleton, I think. It is beating me. I will beat it now. It's now chance. It's my chance now. He. Oh my god, anybody beat me. Oh my god. Why it beat me? Yes, I got the arrows also. Now I will go inside it. First I have to torch here. Oh, okay. Oh my god. There is how much iron? Oh my god. Iron ore. Oh my god. First I will cut this coal with my iron pickaxe. It got in my last episode. I got in chest. First I will cut this because I want lights. Okay, I want light. That's why I am mining this. Okay, it's taking time, but when the diamond pickaxe will come, I will make it. Uh, I can find diamond here, I think. No. I can't find diamond here. Here is the iron ore. First, I will broke the iron ore and I will take it. Okay. Now I will go. Why? Because I am in scale. Oh my god, here is a skeleton. Oh my god. I will go up. Why? Because. Okay. Now I will kill it. One. Hey Skelly, you are my cheddi dost. From when I am started Minecraft, you are hitting me and beating me with arrows. Okay, I am going slowly inside. First, I want to break iron ore because I want iron. Oh my god, here is a zombie. Oh my god. It saw me and it's coming to me. Oh my god, in this cave, how many mobs are there? Oh my god. Okay, it's gone. Now I will start the mining. Okay. Okay. In the third episode of the game, third day of the game, I got iron also. And I will break this also because I want iron more. Why? Because I want iron pickaxe and iron items. Oh, my iron pickaxe health is downing slowly. Okay. Oh my god, anybody? Oh my god, anybody beat me? I will. Okay, this is a zombie. I will kill the zombie. Where is helmet gone? The golden helmet. I want that helmet. Oh my god, he kept gold, but I not got that. Okay, here is the coal. I will make that coal also. Yeah. Okay, I got a coal. Now I will go into the deep cave. Okay, I kept here a torch. Oh my god, there are the emeralds. Oh bye. Oh my god, there are the emeralds. I'll collect them first. Oh my god, you saw it, guys. There is a diamond also. Oh my god, there is a diamond. I will collect these all emeralds because I want to trade with farmers. Oh my god, I'm in shock, bro. I got this many emeralds. Oh my god. Oh, the emeralds are not coming. I have to break this stone and block. Oh my god, I got, I think. Okay. Oh my god. This many emeralds in the third day of the game, third episode of the game. First, I will color this all the coal and iron. Oh my god, I got a call. Sorry. In the next game, I will give you a call. Okay, now we will. Oh my god, here is a diamond. Oh, 4 diamonds, I think. Oh my god, I got the diamond. At last, I got diamond. Oh my god, here is the 2 diamond blocks. Oh my god, oh my god, I got diamonds in the third day. Oh my god, here is the gold and the redstone torches. Oh my god, first I will collect all this. Oh my god, this much gold. I can make I can make anything of the gold. And I got the redstone. With the redstone I can make switches. Oh my god, I got redstone and diamond and all I got. Oh my god, I'm in shock, bro. Okay, I collected all them. Oh, why are this not collecting? I can. Okay, I will break these stones. Okay, I collected it. Oh my god, here is the how many redstone torches. Oh my, how many redstone dust. Oh my god. I can make by this how many redstones. Oh my god, here is the gold and diamond. Oh my god, I got all the gold and diamond in the third. Here is the redstone. I will collect it. Oh, hey, here, the back of the iron. Redstone. I got a diamond. 2 diamonds, I think. I will go and I will collect them. Oh my god, in the third episode of the game, I got diamond and redstone and gold also. Oh my god. Oh my god, I will collect them also. I think I bet when I bet the redstone or the light is coming. Okay, I observed it now. Okay, I will go down. Hey, what are these? Uh, what are these? Hey, why are you beating me? Oh my god, I think these are the trading farmers. It's coming again. It's coming again to me. Oh my god, oh my god. It's coming again to me. It's coming. Oh my god, it's coming. It's beat me again. It beat me again. It beat me again. Oh my god. Now I want the redstone torches. Here's the gold and the redstone. This is coming. Oh my god. Hey, died. Yeah. At the last, it died also. I will collect here. Here is the gold. I will collect them. Gold ore. Okay, I got this much gold. I am in shock. Oh my god. I got this much gold. Why I'm not collecting? I think my bag is full. Oh no, my chest is full. Oh my god, this many diamonds. I'm in shock. I think I got 100 diamonds. No, 50 diamonds I got. Oh, bye. Oh my god, this many diamonds. Oh my god. Oh my god, here is a gold also. I will make a gold iron pickaxe, gold pickaxe and a diamond pickaxe. I will make and gold sword and diamond sword. Here is nothing, I think. Okay, and I will turn here. Okay, here is a 2 blocks of diamond. I can collect them. Yeah. Okay, done. Now I will see. There is no diamond and no gold. I think there is so much coal. Why I'm not collecting them? Okay. Yes, I will. Oh, okay. I will throw the string and lead. I will throw the string. By the string and stick, I can't make anything. I will throw the string. Oh, I want another stick. I want crafting table. Okay, okay. I want crafting table. By that only I can make. Okay, now I am going. Here is the redstone. I forgot. Okay, I will take the redstone. Okay, another blocks of redstone. Yeah, I will take. Yeah, is up. Yeah, okay, up also there. Oh my god, here also there. I will take them. First, I will take them. Okay, why are they not collecting? Why are they not collecting? Here is the gold. Okay, I will take the gold. I got how many red dust? Oh my god. Why are they are not collecting? I think my chest is full. I have to throw some items outside. What I can throw? Okay. What I can throw? Uh, I can throw. Okay, I can throw cobblestones. Yeah, I got. I got now. Okay, now I will go up. I add a block here, and now I will go up. Okay, here is a redstone again. My pickaxe health is going on. Here is the one again redstone. Now I will go from here. Here is no diamond and nothing. I want iron. Okay, I took iron. Here is too much of coal. I will collect them. Oh my god, this much coal. Oh, sorry, bros. The calls are coming. This is a pocket edition. I will convert into Java edition. Sure. Oh my god, here I don't sir. I think it's iron. Yeah, I will collect this iron. Iron ore. I think it's night outside. I will go. Why? Because the monsters will be outside. I will go outside. Okay. Yeah, I kept here a torch. Now I will go now. Oh my god, here is a creeper. It shot me and it's coming my back. Oh my god, here is a creeper, bro. It's coming my back only. I will beat the creeper. I will beat the creeper. Oh, it's not dying. Yeah, it's died. I got a gunpowder, I think. Yeah, I got the gunpowder. Now I will go to my home and I will close the door. Why? Because the monster. I will sleep now. Why? Because the morning I will collect all items. I will keep that in the chest. Okay. Oh my god, I pressed the again leave bed. I will go. I will sleep now. Okay. Now I has been sleeping now. Okay. Okay. Now I want to keep just a secret. I will cut here. Oh, the by the arrow it will not cut. I will cut here. Okay. I will broke this chest. I will keep all items in that chest. Yeah, it's cutting. Oh my god, this okay. I can't collect chest. I think because I had so many items. First, I have to throw. Oh, first I have to. Okay, I got terracotta. First I have. Array again I got. First I have to. I got terracotta. Oh, again I got dirt. Dirt. I think. I will throw here again. Oh, I will throw again here. Oh, again one more terracotta I got. I will throw it here. Oh my god. Yeah. Now I will straightly go to the chest. I think, oh my god, my chest is full. Again, the terracottas are being in my chest only. Yeah, I got the chest. And I will keep the chest here. Okay, I'll keep the chest here. Why? Because I want to keep secret diamonds and emeralds in that. Oh my god, this many redstones and this many diamonds and this many emeralds. Oh my god, I'm in shock, bro. Oh my god. I will keep all the items in the chest. Yeah. I will keep iron ore and gold ore. And I will collect. Oh my god, my mistake. They close this. They are taking too much time. Okay, it's Are. Why its torch is being here? I will break the terracotta now. Okay, I had break the terracotta now. I will keep all the items in this. Okay. Yeah. I kept. Okay. Here is the 2 points of terracotta. I will took them all. Yeah. I got all of the terracottas. I will keep all of them in the chest box. Okay. Now I will go outside. I got gunpowder. Okay. Here is the creeper, guys. You saw it. Here is the creeper. Oh my god. The sheep and the cow is coming to me. Here's the zombie also. Oh my god. It's a zombie and the creeper. Why they are not burning in the morning also? I saw them. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Then bye. Good night. Please subscribe to ARP Productions. Thank you.